Hey guys, it's Shurropa Roblox here. We have another live stream. Yeah, so I want to show you how to make a backpack shot inside Roblox Studio. live. So I hope you guys enjoy this live stream. And actually, I think, oh yeah, we still have it. So on the other live stream, we had a Minecraft update, and then I had to up the brightness, and it does not look good. So I'm gonna have to edit that real quick. No, I don't want to do that. Okay. There. Alright, I just removed it. Much better. Okay. So, yeah. Gonna play the game. Alright. So, as you can see, we got our strength and coins, you know, like classic. But we don't have a weight because, yeah, I don't feel like scripting one for the preview, but we'll probably make a weight tool in this stream. So as you can see, if we click, we get a strength. Now, obviously, you're like, wait, what happened? Well, we have auto sell, but we can delete that and have a shop. But this is just like the preview of it. But if I use my auto clicker, I have 100 coins now. So let's open up the bag shop and see if we can buy anything. So starter bag, we have equipped. It says this starter bag is basic to all players. Storage is 20 and costs 0 coins. Now, it's like the same as last video, like the tool shop. Just backpack, yeah. Blue bag, this blue bag is really blue. The storage is 60 and costs 80 coins. And if we buy it, we should be able to buy it because we have 100 coins. But let's say we're kind of broke. Okay. Let's just say that if I could type this in time. Alright, let's say that we're kind of broken. Short on 5 coins, okay? I'll say buy error, so it says buy error, could not buy back. Then we have enough. Oh wait. Alright, there. Alright, so we just have enough to buy the bag, so let's buy it, and it says equipped. We have lost our 80 coins, and we have no longer equipped the starter bag, and if we notice, the top it says 60. And yeah, you can do this. Yes. And if you're wondering what that white thing, we could remove that. That's just simply the transparency. Alright, and we can click all the way up. So, boom. We have 60 coins. So people could just do this if they have AFK, if they're AFK. So we'll be using this in our simulator shop later this stream, because in the chat I said hope you like the stream, and then I said today I think I'm having another live stream about the simulator shop. I don't know if I am because I have to do something later today, but we'll see. Yeah, but this will probably be in the simulator series. And yeah, I'll just give it like coins and stuff. But we'll probably have like a game pass to have like auto sell, so you don't have to go all the way up to the sell thing and then it'll sell automatically. So it'll basically be like a infinite bag, but I don't think we're gonna do that. I think we're just gonna have an infinite bag itself. Sadly, this backpack system does not have like a bag on the player. I think it's just too complicated and like too, yeah, just I don't know. Plus, I don't think I know how to do that, like, cause like the part moving for the backpack. I don't know. Just kind of too much. Yeah. So player also spawns in the middle again, but we could set a thing for that. All right. Anyways, we're gonna be showing you how to make that. So let's do this in today's live stream. Okay. First, we need to create a beast plate. So go to the classic beast plate. No. Okay. All right. So we want to create. First thing that we want to create is the basic stuff. So first we'll create bag shop. And this will create a folder called cameras. And then in another folder, we'll do bag models. And then in application storage, we'll do the same thing. Bag shop. This time we'll add all the remote events, remote functions, bindable events. Also, if we want, we can kind of create kind of like a, actually no, never mind. But we could create like an infinite bag, but we'll probably do that in the simulator shop series because I need views. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna create the shop GUI. Or no, yeah. Bag shop UI. Okay, that's gonna be the UI, and this will be the GUI. Okay, so now since we have that, we can have a text label. This will be our storage amount or something like that. And then this will be like 0.0 for now. This will just be below. Okay, and then another one will be the open shop. Open bag shop. And then we can make the source sans bold. Make sure this is 0. Okay. So I do the same thing. Okay. This will be the info frame. And then the buy button. So I guess I can go with cartoon. I did bangers for the font for the preview, but I kind of don't like that font, but it's whatever you want. It's your shop system. So and then make sure you leave like a little gap for the line. Okay. I want to make my line like this. If you don't want to have that, then it's perfectly fine. Then just don't implement it. And make sure you also have no border pixel or so it'll look weird. So it's kind of like a separator, kind of. A little lighter. Alright. Okay. And since you have done everything, we can now rescale it. So make that scaled. Okay. Now that you've scaled basically everything, you want to have a script. This will be the bag shop handler. And this will be the bag handler server. Okay? Can create store, data store 1. Okay, and I'm gonna create a bindable event. This will be the trigger shop. And what I'd basically do is for like any kind of like service or like big variable, I keep it all capitalized, and then with smaller like events or something, I have like lowercase, like using camel casing. But actually, I do recommend you just do this for everything, just so it's not confusing. But like for events, I would definitely use this. That's what I do. But now since you've done that, make sure you change everything. Alright. And then we're gonna have in the function thing, you can have buy bag. And then for the remote functions, add 1. And this is just gonna be called add. And the reason why we have a remote event is because once we click, we want to add it on the server and not on the client, because then it will won't work because of filtering. I think you can turn it off. You used to can turn off. It used to be the property and workspace, but I don't think you can. Yeah, I don't think you can anymore. But yeah, because of filtering enabled, we cannot do that. Well, you can, but it won't work on the server with regular scripts. Alright. Now since we set up all the variables, we just want to add some simple stuff, probably like the leader stats and such. So to add the ls player, called leader stats. And then local coin is equal to instance. And I could just copy this, but it's always better to write this out, because then it practices or makes your typing fast. Yeah. And this can be like data store things. For now, we'll just do the key. Because, yeah. Okay. Okay. So we have the player data. Now, inside player data will be like the bot bags, and like the equipped. Now, because we're having it set to starter bag, so if you're having like a starter bag and want like it to be like default equipped, you would do starter bag, and then you would create a instance or a local saying they already own it. So kind of like this. So you would just do insert, and then folder, and then you would do like player data dot bot bags, then insert dot name is equal to starter bag. You would do that if we're having like it default equipped, but we're not going to do that because in our data store it will be saved, and we'll check if the player already has data. If it doesn't, then we're gonna insert that, but if it already does, we're not, because it'll save the starter bag. And if you do keep on doing this, then what's gonna happen is the data store is gonna read the starter bag in your bought bags folder, and it's gonna keep on cloning it until you have like, I don't know, like an infinite amount of starter bags when you already own one, and one's enough. And yeah. Alright, so we could just leave the insert for now. And we can work on the client for now. Okay, so you just copy the whole thing, except for the DS, because the DS is the data store variable that we set. We can just have everything, because everything looks good. We can remove the add, because we don't have to. Actually, no, we do need the add, because that's where we're going to be firing the event. Okay, so we can do add, or no, okay. That one more variable, this will be the player, and local mouse is equal to player colon get mouse. Okay, and then we can create a comment. But before we do that, let's create a comment up top saying variables / services. Okay, and this can be like functions. This will be like settings. And this will be like code. So for our functions, we'll do show bag. Make sure you add a function. Show bag. Okay. And you're gonna do another one. This will be the shop enable. And in the settings, we have max bags. Make sure you use camel casing, by the way. Good practice. And this will be current bag. Alright, so we have a comment, change this depending on how much bags we have. So right now our max bags are gonna be 2 for a test. We don't want to go over 2 because there may be errors and we have to test if there is, so we should do 2. Okay. So then we could do trigger shop on our .event. Connect shop enable. Okay. So then you want to go on your button and add script parent. Before we do that, we want to get some variables and services. So go and grab that. And let's remove the ones that we're not going to use. So let's do script.parent dot mouse button 1 click, go on connect function, trigger shop, and then fire. And this will be set to true. And then let's do shop on is equal to false. I'm gonna check if shop on is equal to false, then we do okay, and then for else, make that false. Okay. And then right here, before we do that, let's have the shop bag shop GUI equal to script parent 8 for child. Use the GUI version. Alright. Now since we have done that, let's do that, and then enabled is equal to bool. If bool is equal to true, then else, if it isn't, then we could do something else. So for right now, we actually do need to have the current camera. So let's just do that real quick. Okay, so we want to do current camera dot camera type is equal to enum dot camera type dot scriptable. Okay, and now since we have done that, we can do current. So before we have the functions, let's move the settings up above the functions so that we can do this. Current bag is equal to 1. Then we can do show bag. And then for this, we'll just change this to custom. And then we'll do player.character, find first child, humanoid root part dot cframe is equal to cframe dot new 0, 10, 0. If you want a certain place, then you can create a new part and then get the position of it, or you can get a part and then set this as a variable and here, and then you can just get the C-frame of the part. Alright, now since you've done that, I guess we can create the part where you can click on the arrows and it'll move the thing. Okay, so let's do shop. Actually, before we do any of that, let's create the info frame. So you want to do bag shop GUI dot info frame, and that's how you get the info frame. Alright, so let's do bag shop GUI dot right button dot mouse click, and I think the right is easier for right now. So we could check if the shop is on. So we're gonna do bag shop GUI dot enabled is equal to true. If it is equal to true, then it'll work. But else we'll warn please or error, please enable the shop GUI. Okay, so now we can do if current bag is less or equal to max bags, then else current bag is more or equal to max bags, then I'm pretty sure I'll make sure to do an else. Okay. So if the current bag is less or equal to max bags, so I'm gonna do less than max bags. else if it is more or equal to max bags. Then what I'll do is I'll do current bag is equal to 1. And then it'll show bag. So update. For this, it's kind of similar. You would just add the current bag and then it'll show it. Okay, so now that we have done that, we can create the showing thing. So we do have to create the background of the shop. So let's kind of create this, and we'll create a rig, block rig, to kind of like simulate the player size. I know this doesn't matter, but I do like to have it like reasonable size. It doesn't have to be fancy, as it will be like a background. It won't really matter. And we can use this plugin called Building Tools. It's really useful for doing that, for just extending it instead of doing this, and it just scales everything to be larger. And this could be called background shop. Okay, drag that into the bag shop. Then we can drag down bag shop to be below the ground. Now, if you want this to be more customizable, or not customizable, sorry. So you see that this is kind of dark and you can't really see a thing. You can go to lighting and turn the global shadows off. Right, and then you have all the light. Or you can re-enable them and then go and cast shadow off. But then you can see shadows through the base plate. So that's why I would recommend you just turn everything off. And this is what I did for the preview. You would create a folder, call this lights, and then you would add a part, and then bring the part down. Make this kind of like a cube, and then call this light, and change the transparency of it. I can call it false and anchor it to true. Make sure the locked is on so that I can't move it by accident. Drag that up a little, and then I have a point light. Make this 16, the max range. And enable shadows. And this really does look really cool. So then you would do that. Drag this for your next item. Have like a little kind of shadow. So it goes from here to there. It's it's actually kind of cool. Then you have to make it longer. So I just want to drag that. Kind of like this. And if you can fit this, you can do that. But I think that's enough. We're not going to have that much bags. So that's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's like 5 bags. That's not bad. But sadly, you have to create a longer background shot for this to work. Now I have to drag this over here, because once you're the camera, it'll see that sky. So that's why you should extend it and make sure this is dragged up more. So it kind of looks like this. That's what it'll look like if that was a shot. Okay, dragged all the lights into the lights folder. Okay. Right now. Okay, missed the lights folder. Okay, there. And then you can go and get like a bag or something. If that doesn't show up. Okay. We're gonna do pack. Now, I would get this purple Galaxy backpack. If you want, that could be like the infinite. But that's not the case because I don't want that. Alright. Then you would delete that mesh. Now, this guy got kind of exposed, but all he did. Oh wait, it's the same guy. Oh shoot. I thought this was a different guy. But all I really did was just put a decal on it. I thought that was a different guy. I was like, oh shoot, that guy got exposed. But no. It's product. Alright, so in the example, so you would do vertex color. I had a red backpack. Now, these values are kind of like the RGB, so that's like really, really red. That'll be like, yeah, it's like neon. So, that's what I did in an example, but if you want a different color, then you can. Like, this will be black, this will be green, that will be blue. But we're just gonna have it as an example and have a red backpack. Drag that further. Okay. Okay. Now you want to have a camera. So if you want, you can find the light that's right here. Drag that down. Make this cam 1. That in the cameras. Delete the point light. Now you have it. Camera. Make this 0.2. Now this is like the feature or the thing that was having it like to be like glitched, but remove the transparency or set the transparency to 1. Make that a little higher. There. Okay. Then make this cam 2. And then drag that into bag models and then call this Shurropa bag. Now with this shop, there is going to be no index, no nothing, because this is going to be all through module scripts. Ew, what the heck? Okay. Okay, and this can be like green bag this time. Alright, and then in here, I want to make it green. Okay. Now I want to have a for I loop. So for I, oh yeah, for I is equal to 0, comma 1, comma 0.0, do. Have a wait there, and yes, we are going to be using lerping, because lerping is good. You don't want to use tweening. Okay. Then we want to do the cameras. Oh, we have to create a variable for that. Cameras is equal to, make sure to make this lowercase I. So we don't even have a bag shop work space. So let's do that right now. Okay, bag shop work dot cameras. Cameras, for child, cam, dot, current bag, dot C-frame, comma, I. Okay, and then we'll do another loop, but this is gonna be M, and then V. And pairs. This will loop through the module. So this will be backpack module. Now it'll underline because we don't have the module. So we're just going to add a folder. This is going to be called modules. We're going to add a module script. This is going to be called backpack module. Now, if you have never worked with modules, I would recommend you check out a tutorial about how to do modules. This stream or tutorial, whatever you want to call it, is mainly for like intermediates like that who know a lot of scripting. If you're a beginner, I recommend you brush up on your scripting skills. Maybe follow a little bit of Dev King, maybe some album blocks, and yeah. So yeah, I recommend you just check out those videos if you don't understand this fully. But if you do, that is great. Okay, so cost we'll do is starter bag. Actually, no, we don't have to do that. We don't have to do that because yeah, it's just pointless. We'll do the storage because we obviously need to do the storage. So you can set this to 10. This really, oh, shoot. Okay, this really doesn't matter. You can change it. I would say this really does matter if you have a data source. So if you've done this tutorial, and if you want to change it, once you have already went in the game, when you have the data, wait, actually no, wait. Forget that idea. Forget that. Because this will be automatic. Yeah. So it won't be saving the storage, but it will get the storage from the bag. So yeah, don't worry about it. Alright, so we'll have a currency because the currency does matter. So if you want to change it from coins, then there you go. So if you want to change it to like, so if you have, say you have like gems, you can change that to gems or like another currency they want to change instead of going in the code and changing it. Then you can do that. Okay, so I think that's it. So we got coins, storage. Yeah. Oh no. We have one more. And that is, of course, the index. This is really important because in module scripts, sometimes it just uses like alphabetic order and stuff like that. So yeah, and you can change the cost. So you could do 54, and then I'm gonna change this to like 30. And this is all you have to add. This is all you have to do. And then add a new camera. And then add a bag. I'll show you how to add more bags later in the stream. I think this has been, oh yeah, almost 1 hour. So that's kind of good. Alright. I guess that's good. I'm not sure. Alright, back to this. I'm going to create another variable. This will be modules is equal to bag shop rs, wait for child, modules. We'll have a backpack module. Make sure you change this. Okay. So you probably will just do, if you haven't done modules before, you probably just do this and backpack module. This is what you probably do. This is not what you do. It's kind of close, but for doing modules, you would use require. Yes, I know, it's a lot of steps for this. But make sure you do that. Now, actually, no. Change it to backpack. It's weird how I spelled it. Really weird. Alright. Now since you have done that, we can create the title. So infraframe dot title is equal to m. But before that we do that, we're gonna check if v or if current bag is equal to v dot index. If it is, then we're going to do that. And then input frame dot description is equal to v dot description. So that's another thing I have to add that I forgot. So we could just do a perfect bag for beginners to have. And then I don't know if I said this correct, but I don't care. The color green really suits you. I don't think I spelled that correct. Yeah, I spelled that correct. Okay, good. Alright. So, really suits you. Okay. And then, so we have that. I'll be okay. So the storage is, or is, and then v dot storage. And costs v dot cost dot dot and then space dot dot b dot currency. It's a kind of a long line. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll check if the player has the bag in its inventory. Spot bags, find first child, equal to nil. So if they don't have it, then it will run that. But if they do have it, and they don't have it equipped, so that value is not equal to m. So if they don't have it equipped, but if they do have it, they don't say equip. But what if they do have it and it is equipped? Okay. So then what we could do is we could do backshop GUI dot buy button dot text is equal to buy. And also make sure you do this for up here as well. So buy, change this to equip, and do equipped. Okay, and then what you can do is publish it. So we actually haven't published it. And if my Roblox Studio crashes for some other reason, I'm going to be so mad. So a good thing I'm doing this now. So this will just be backpack shop tutorial live. This will be like, I made this on my live stream. Go check out on how I made this. My channel is have fun testing out my backpack system. Okay. And then you should be able to play this once it is live or out of when I'm done doing this video or live stream. Okay. This is a weird glitch, but it doesn't show the save to Roblox, so I have to restart. Okay. Yes. So since we've done that, let's test this. And we hit 1 hour on our live stream. Wow. Also make sure you disable the UI, not the UI, the shop GUI. Make sure you disable that. That is really important. Okay. So now say open backshop. I'll open it and we have an error already. So, oh, okay. So this is a simple typo, but make sure you do dot text or else it won't work. Okay, now test it. Alright, open backshop. Now we have another description. Make sure you also do dot text. I should have looked over that. And we can hit Roblox and publish. Okay. Really important that you save. Because I had a game that let's just say did not save, and I had to redo the whole entire game. But anyways, it works. The only problem currently right now is that the shop falls down. So make sure you anchor your background for a shop. Make sure you do that. Okay, now if you open it, yep, it works. Let's go. It says start a bag, a perfect bag for beginners to have. The storage capacity is 10, and it costs 0 coins. And it says equipped, so it does work. And yes, the color green really suits you. Storage capacity is 30 and costs 54 coins. So yes, it works. Let's go. Now to fix this weird kind of thing, bug thingy, I don't know. You would just change transparency to 1. Now when you play the game, it won't have like the weird thingy. See? Now it's smooth. Alright. Simple and easy, but now I have to work on the left button right now. So, copy that, and then change to right, left. So if it's less or equal to the max bags. So if it's less than equal to 1. Okay. So I want to change this. Okay. So if it's less or equal to 1, then it will just equal to max bags. Else if current bag is less than or equal to max bags, then I'll just minus 1. So it should work. So if I just save, okay. Yes, it works. So now we have a kind of working shop. So we can now move or click the arrows. Now we just have to work on the buy. So it does work, the clip. So sad part about this is you can just do this, and then it won't show that anymore. Okay. But it doesn't really matter because it's just on their client side, so they can't really change it for other people. It'll just show the values, but it won't really change because the filter enabled. But let's just say we do not have it. We do not have it. It'll say buy, even though it's equipped. So that's going to be that. Alright. So now let's make it so that we can buy or equip or yeah. So you buy bag dot or not that, that's a function or event. So I'm going to do bag shop GUI dot buy button. Okay, now we're going to make a variable and we're going to do local select or cell. Cell is equal to no. Then we can do cell is equal to M. Okay, I want to check if cell is not equal to nil. Then else it will warn and say error, please hover or I don't know, like please go into shop to the shop. To okay. Alright, and then also make sure it's enabled. Alright. We can now copy this if statement. So I want to check, I just want to place the M's with the select variable that we set. Alright. So we can just delete this because it won't do anything once we have it equipped and stuff. Alright, so I want to remove this and remove this. Okay, so we can have local result. Now, if you haven't done any like remote functions, I do recommend you check out Alvin Blox's channel about this, or just really any video. You could also, I think the Dev King had a video on this. I'm pretty sure, but I definitely know that Alvin Blox had a video on this, like a rocket video example. So yeah, I recommend you check that out as well. So we can now invoke the server, and then we can pass in the parameters, select or cell. So with the true. If you do if result, I think that just means that if there is something that returned, then it'll just activate this. So I think you do have to be specific and say is equal to true or equal to false, whatever you really want. All right. So if it's equal to false or equal to true, sorry. Then what we can do is we can do bag shop GUI dot buy button dot text is equal to equipped, and then this will just be buy couldn't no my gosh couldn't equip a bag. Okay, then we'll wait, I guess like 0.9 seconds or 8.5, 8.3. And then we can just set it to buy. Okay, I want to copy that, paste it. So change this to equipped. But this time, change this to equip. Okay. So now, inside of the server, you want to activate or have something for the buy. Okay, this will be functions. This will be equip bag. Now I just realized that meant to put the player here first. Okay. Now we want to grab that, paste. bag name. But before we do any of that, we want to check if this is part of bag, or the bag name that's passing is part of the backpack module or something. So we want to do if bag name, or actually let's give the module. Let's go and get the module. So I'm gonna do if backpack module bag name, then so what's doing is it's finding in the backpack module the bag name. If there is, it's not equal to null, then we're going to do that. Okay. So now we want to equip the bag. But for if it haven't, players that haven't bought it, we're going to check if they have enough money. So you want to do the backpack module, bag name, dot currency, dot value, or yes, wait. Yes, I think it's in here. It's more or equal to cost, then make sure you change this to bag name as well. Alright, so here we have that. Now we want to minus it. Alright, so yeah, because in the last tutorial, people are saying like it won't minus the coins. So yeah, okay, so bag name. I want to do that for this. I want to return true. And then for right here, we'll want to return false. Okay, so now we want to create the equip bag function. So yeah, we haven't created the storage for it yet. So let's create the storage value. So this is where things get interesting. You want to check if a strength or whatever your clicking value thing is less or equal to storage.value. It's more than a storage actually. Then we want to do strength.value is equal to storage.value. So if you get like 100, then I'll just set it to the max storage, like 20. So like for like the cell thing, I don't know if there's like a bug. So yeah, if you have like a bigger bag and then you switch to a smaller, then that will happen, and it'll give you like 30 over then the storage. So, and yeah, it's not the thing. So all right. Okay. Going to storage.value is equal to backpack module equipped bag.value dot storage. You also want to do that here. So if you're having the auto cell like I'm having, then yeah. So if it's equal, so it's more or equal. So else if so coins.value. Okay. And then you want to do strength.value is equal to 0. Alright, so I think that will work. And then all we're really doing is just setting the bag. So we would just do player data dot equipped bag dot value is equal to bag name. That's all we're really doing. It's really easy. But we might have to add more stuff in there later. So that's why we made it as a function. So then we can do insert. So you can't do it in the equip bag because it'll be equipping that and then it'll create 2 values or 2 folders. So that's why we have to do that. So then we're gonna do insert dot name. Okay. Okay. I'm pretty sure that is it. So, I think that's it. I think that's basically the whole backpack system, except for maybe changing that. So, let's see. So we got starter bag, an equip bag, and the storage is 10. Okay. Yes. So, what if I got... so this only works on the server, by the way. So what if I got, like... 30. Okay, yes, it'll sell. That's good because, well, yes, that is good because, alright. So yeah, it would sell because, so that means our sell function is working really well. So what if I got 9? And then if I get 10, it sells it, and I got 20. 20 coins. Wait, what? Okay, wait, what? Oh, wait. I think I know what I did. Yep. I never added it. I just set it so that it equals strength.value. Okay, make sure you do add. Okay. I think that will be it. No, we just have to do the adding and stuff. So I'm gonna do that. Now stop button, one down. Add : fire server. Add dot on server event. Value. But make sure you also have it so that player dot player data dot storage dot value. String. Make sure it's less than the storage value. Then I'll add it. So yeah, make sure you do that. Alright. So then we have to add one more thing, or actually two. So I have to do the data store and the, yeah, I think, pretty sure. So just that and the data store. Player data dot storage dot change connect function player dot or not dot parent dot text is equal to okay. Change this to leader stats strength dot changed, and then copy that and paste. Okay, so so I've done that, yeah. Then we have to do data store. Okay, so we have data store things. Now, this is the part where we're going to remove this, so we'll actually remind ourselves later. Alright. So, let's make a game.players.player removing. Okay, local success. Error. Goes p call. Okay, And then we can do ds set sync. Key. And then the string. Comma player leader stats dot strength by. Okay. This is the part where we have to so v.name. Okay. Alright, so now that we've done the bottom data store, we're going to copy this and paste it right here. Now we're gonna have some variables. So we're gonna have strength data, coins data, bot bags data, and equipped bag. Okay. Strength data is equal to yes. Yeah, async key dot strength. If success, then we want to check or we want to print loaded data. Also, you want to warn error dot error. Okay, then we want to check. Okay, so then we're gonna do strength dot value, strength data, coins dot value, to go to coins data, and then this one we're gonna do if, or we're gonna do, actually no, yes, we want to do if bot bags data, then else Now this is the part, well, we will delete this. And then that. So do for I, B in pairs. Pop bags data. Do. Just copy that. Basically the same thing. And then insert that name is equal to V. So then we'll do equip bag dot value is equal to equipped bag data. Or starter bag if it hasn't. There's no data. Okay. And I think that is it. So I could just. Wow, I got a lot of messages. Okay. So now, if you go to security and then enable that, I like to do that once I've enabled something. Alright. I'll bring up the game because if you didn't know, data stores do not work inside Roblox Studio. I mean, they sort of do. Do like save every like random session. I can't even say it. Session. That's how it is. Okay. Session. Saves like a random session. I can't. I know I'm not. All right. I know this. We have this. So yeah. Okay, so once it load in. Okay, so we have 0 out of 10, and the clicking does work. Okay, it's good so far. And this is already a bad sign. Let's see. Okay. That's weird. So we do have it, but it's not equipped. It's weird. Oh. So it hasn't even gotten to the data store part because there's a while wait loop here. There can't be while wait loops there. It has to be at the very end of the script. Or else it won't work. And then, yes, that point it doesn't save. So, but that's why in Roblox it saves every single time. So don't worry. It's like only a Roblox Studio thing. It's weird. But I used to think that in Roblox Studio used to save, but yeah. Make sure you save in Roblox because it got many comments saying the savings doesn't work. You have to fix that. And it does, but you just haven't joined Roblox. Alright. So yeah, see now it says loaded data. Alright. Yep, now it says equipped. Alright. So if I do that, okay, we have 10 coins. So let's see. That's weird. Oh, we already got in there. Okay, so saying like on line 46 or something. Wait, okay. Oh, I think we forgot to do dot value. Okay. And then on 86. Oh yeah, it was definitely on there. Alright. I think I got it. Pretty sure I got it. Okay. Yep, so it says buy, arrow cannot equip bag. Wait, so cannot equip bag? No, it should say, wait, what the heck? Wait. Oh. Weird. Alright. We're having many errors, but it's the point of developing. So that you have to keep on trying. It's almost 2 hours live stream, so yeah. So now it says cannot buy bag. All right, but what if we have enough? So okay, so yep. So it says equipped at minus, and we have 30. So let's see if we. Yep. All right, so we can go above, and we got enough. So like, what if? Whoops. Not. Why is it okay? Weird. All right. Well, let's say we have more than that. Yep. Sold. Auto sell. But I feel like that auto sell is not really good for making this backpack system because it's not really good for backpack systems. I don't know. Because it's like an infinite backpack. Now, I'm probably not going to do this in this live stream. I'll probably do it on the next live stream. Maybe just the simulator, cause yeah. Now I'll probably make it not today because I think that's too much. Cause I think I have to go in a couple hours at 7. So yeah, I don't have time to wait for that. Yeah, so I guess for now, so I guess we'll test it at the store. So I got 3 strength, 126 coins. Okay, and it worked. Now, what if we have the green bag? Hey, what the heck? Wait a minute. Wait, what? Okay. See the coins, and it's saying that we don't have it. Why is that? Oh, I think I know why. So once we're saving it, yep. It never saves because I haven't gotten the children. The loop didn't insert things into the table, so it never. I mean, it did save, but yeah. So right now it's just saving, and yeah. So like I said, certain sessions it does save, and some it doesn't. Most of the time. Okay. Let's buy it. Okay, we have 18 coins, 6 strength. We got 24. Let's see if this does work. Yes, let's go. We have the backpack equipped. So everything does work. I'm going to be showing you how to add more bags now. So let's say we want to add a purple bag or something. Well, really easy. We'll just have our camera placed right here. Change transparency. This is better for you to align the bag with the camera. So that. And you can, this really doesn't matter what name, but to keep myself organized, so I'll do that. I think. Wait. Hold on. You know, I'm just gonna take the texture ID off. Then I can't really see. Yes, this works. This is really all about customizing. I guess that looks more like purple, I guess. That's fine. Alright. And then, now since they have taken like 2 whole minutes to do that, trust me, it's really simple. It's really, really simple. You just have to do that, and then go in your module. Okay. Duplicate that. Call this purple bag. Make the costs. Storage. And the coins, so, okay. Alright, and then that's it. That's all it. Literally. I'm not even joking. Oh, wait. Change this. Change that. You don't have to change the transparency of the cam 3. Just change the name. Because if you don't, then it'll actually no. Let me go back in the regular game. Alright. That's all you have to do. So, yep, purple bag. That's all it takes to have that. It's really, really simple. Alright. Just do this. Alright. Now we have enough. Let's buy it. Equipped it. We equipped it, and we got 72. And it costs that much. Now, if you want to have an infinite backpack, because of time's sake, wait, how much time do we have? I don't really want this video to go over 2 hours, but you know what? Because why not? I'm just gonna make a backpack, an infinite bag, a full deal, like the whole entire thing. I guess what should this be? Galaxy. Whatever. Let's just do that. And then we'll choose the Galaxy. There. We'll just do that. And then we'll just copy this decal. There. That's the Galaxy bag. Okay. Or, instead of do that, do infinite. Okay. Cost will be currency, Robux, and then is Robux. Let's always change that. So copy that. And then change it to true. Change this to 4. So that I'll be like, you could change this to be like 482 or something. 412. But for this tutorial, I'll do 1. The storage will be infinite. So this will be math.huge. That's how you have infinite values, by the way. Alright. And then that's what it'll look like. And then for the Robux, okay. So we'll check if the item is a Roblox item. So check if V is Roblox, and then else. So text color 3 dot from RGB, I guess. And then I guess we'll choose like yellow or something. And then change this to white if it's already been in the yellow. If you can hear dogs barking in the background, that's just some other dog. Sorry about that. Yes. So, and it costs 1 Robux. Okay. So, I want to check if it is a Robux item, which we already did. But for here, we want to check. So, I guess guess we could check it in the server. But we do need to prompt it, so I guess we'll do that. So else if do not own it, and bag module cell dot is Robux is equal to true, then didn't have enough Robux. Something went wrong with your purchase. So we need to prompt it. So trying to figure this out. So we could have a remote function and then return the value from the server, have a separate one. We're gonna have the same one, and then because I'm thinking, what if we just prompt the player purchase and then like do that? But I don't know. I guess here I need to think. So I need to be right back because I have to think. It's concentrating things. Okay. So yeah. Alright, so I'm back. And yeah. Alright. So I have to be really fast about this because I have to do something because I forgot. So yeah, this is probably me definitely no. I'm definitely no. To the simulator. Sorry. I'll even write it in chat. Simulator. Alright. Alright, so I think right now, okay. Okay. So we can just remove that for now. And we can prompt the player. So let's use the service called marketplace service. Alright. Now we want to prompt the game pass. So we're okay. MS prompt game pass purchase. And then the player. And then the game pass. So we'll do the capacity. So in the infinite bag, we'll have ID. Actually, no, remove this. Remove this. Alright, and then right here, you want to configure this place. Develop, no, not developer packs. No. Oh, no. Okay. There. Store. Add pass. This is where we want to be. And then I have to hide this because of sensitive content. You already pretty much saw everything. But only for a second. Alright. I guess I'll just use like one of my test images that I have. Okay. Alright. So, since I have that, I guess I'll do infinite backpack. Infinite storage. Okay, yep. Okay, configure sales. Make sure items for sale. Make sure you turn this for sale. And then we'll do buy Robux because I need Robux if you guys buy this. Okay. Okay, it's only cents in US, okay? It's only like 0 and 6 hundredths. It's like, yeah, it's decimal. Yes. Alright, anyways. Infinite backpack allows you to have infinite storage. 5 Robux. So it's like really cheap, as you can see. Yes, okay. Then we're gonna copy this ID and then paste it. Alright. Now we want to use this game pass ID. So this is going to be that. Going to prompt the purchase. Alright, now let's check if we have gotten a purchase. So did I do MPS? No, I did MS. I want to change this to PS. Makes more sense if there's a P. Okay. MPS. So this is when we finished. Player, Game Pass. Okay. You want to check if the Game Pass ID was equal to bag module and then infinite bag. The Game Pass ID. Then what we can do is equip the bag. So then requires the player and the bag name. So infinite bag. Okay. And what we want is we want to do that. All right. That's what we have. And then so now once we purchase this, it should do that. I'm pretty sure there's also a failed that we could do, but we don't have to do that. I guess I can try. That's fine. All right. So once we have done that, we'll do that, and then we own Game Pass. So, okay. So we'll check if we have own the bag. But yeah, if we bought it on the store, instead of that, then we have to check if MS user on Game Pass sync player or key, and then the Game Pass. So backpack module, infinite bag dot Game Pass ID. So if we own it, then we're going to insert the infinite bag. And I guess we can equip it, but I'll do it right here. So, make sure you do this on the top, I guess. All right, and then I think that is it. We just have to add the cam. Okay. And then, all right. So now we have in the store the Game Pass, and we have it. So wait. Before we join, let's change it to data stores real quick. So we have a fresh new data store because it may change a little. We want it so that. Wait, what? But I just changed the data store. So confused. Okay, wait, what? I'm so confused. Okay, there, yeah, okay. Okay, what, okay. Color 3. That's line 40. Line 40. For color, wait, no. Sure. Let's see. Okay. So apparently it expects brick color. Thought it. Oh, because I think, yep, there is. So make sure you do text color 3 or else it won't work. Give me an error. That's a big. Yeah, so big mistake. Just missed one thing. Alright. There, yeah. What? Oh. Wait a minute. Think. And then there's a lot of, like, errors. But. Wait. What's. Here, I want to see. Sorry if I'm rushing. I just really. Yes, we have 3. But where's the 4th? Oh! Duh. Forgot to change that. I should probably make it so that it doesn't do that. I should probably make it so that it can loop through the module. And see, so it's like almost fully. Yep. So the infinite bag was long ago. Yes, yes. Okay, we got infinite, which means that we can just click up to infinite. And then if we do that, we only have 10. So this is an infinite bag. Yep. So let's equip that. Now, here, wait, at the going to be right back screen. Doesn't mean that, that there's gonna be music and everything, but you could still hear me, obviously. So, I'm not back. I mean, I am back, but there's some sensitive content. Or I don't really know. But okay. Alright. Alright. So what is this? This is yes. No, we can't join a game. Oh my gosh. No, I want to make the game public. So that even you guys can join, because I don't really care. No. What's no, oh. Is it sponsor? No, I want to configure it. Public. There. It's kind of weird because I have to do it like 2 times. So yeah, you guys can join my game. I don't really care. But I just typed. Oh. There. So used to like having. Okay. Where is it? There. Okay. Okay. So let's say we do not have the game pass. So it equipped 10. Now the infinite bag we don't have. Okay. Shoot. Wait, what? What? Okay, that didn't work. Yeah, if we didn't. Oh! Make sure you do this as well. And then I'll go to that one. Okay. Rejoin. The heck? Okay, I was about to say, the heck? I want to see what time. Yeah, really, it's really long. 2 hours and something. Alright, so let's go to the very end. Okay. Alright, let's see if we can buy it. Yes, okay, we got a prompt. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. We do have some Robux, which is really good because that would have been bad. Alright. Would you like to buy the infinite backpack? No going back. So let's do it. Okay, we got it. And yep, we got it equipped. The one problem that we have is that it's not updating. So we have to change that. Now, sadly, I cannot test out the other one. Wait, actually, no, I can. Oh my gosh, I'm so dumb. I can just go back in the game. Oh, no, but then it would. So that wouldn't work anyway because then it would just save. It would save and stuff. Alright, we need to test or change. And then I'll end the live stream. Alright. Okay, so once it purchased, I want to send. Okay. I guess we could do remote event. Infinite bag client or server to client. All right. Where is it? Here it is. Okay, and then so go to that. All right, let's copy this. Come on, come on. We're almost done. Just have to just do this real quick thing, and then it can be done. Okay. Infinite bag event dot on client event. Okay, I'm gonna equip it. Okay, so it should work. And if you want to test out this game, it'll be linked in the description. So how do I okay. Yes, okay. So if you do like and subscribe, you can. I don't really care. It's up to you. But it would support me though. If you want me to make more videos, and just support me, get money and stuff, and all that. Anyways, if you like this video, make sure you like it. Share this video to your friends, family, whatever. I don't care. And yeah, bye.